Can you remember a time when you sat down with excitement to enjoy a nice meal? Now, food has gone from fun to fretting. You're anxious about each meal, not knowing what might cause gas, bloating, and abdominal discomfort. These could all be signs of a common yet complex GI issue called SIBO, or small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. SIBO can be tricky to discover, and risk factors such as low stomach acid, alcohol consumption, food poisoning, or even sluggish thyroid function are often overlooked. As bacterial levels in the small intestine increase, so does their activity, such as fermentation. When fermentation increases in the small intestine, even healthy diets can cause gas, bloating, and intolerance to certain foods and probiotics. When addressing this difficult, persistent GI issue, it's important to identify the root cause and take steps to rebalance the GI environment. Ortho Spore IG is a dual-action solution for SIBO. Its targeted push-pull approach gently restores the gut terrain and is driven by two champions of GI health: Bacillus spores and high-concentration immunoglobulins. Bacillus spores are a novel probiotic that remain dormant until they reach the small intestine. This dormant ability allows Bacillus spores to be more gentle in the GI tract than other probiotics. Within the small intestine, they spring into action, ready to detect and push out unwanted bacteria. They produce special compounds that repel and break down these unwelcome organisms. Then, high-concentration immunoglobulins step in. This compound binds and gently pulls harmful toxins and bacterial components from the GI tract. The removal of these harmful substances, along with lifestyle and diet interventions, helps to restore the gut terrain and rebalance the GI environment. Talk with your practitioner about Ortho Spore IG, the dual-action solution for SIBO that gives you the freedom to eat worry-free.